in 2 weeks, we are going to be going back to school. And here's something what you should never ever do. Never ever pull fire alarms at school. Never do that. Because if you pull the fire alarm at school, you can get suspended and you won't graduate. So, in school, do not do something like this. Doing that can get you suspended or expelled. And you might get grounded by your parents. So do not pull the fire alarm at school. And also never tamper with the fire alarm at school. So do not take this plate off. Don't switch to candela. Don't switch the tones. My camera does not want to focus on the tone section. There we go. Yeah, never do this. Do not mess with these in any public schools or buildings. Like at school, if you see a key in the whole station, leave it alone. Don't open it and do something like this. Doing that can set the alarm off. And that can get you a suspension and expulsion. Don't take the key lock off of it. Don't take the handle off of it. Don't take the fire line off of it. Never take the logo off of it. Never take the push and pull down lettering off of it. Or the arrows off of it. Don't trace on it. Don't paint it. Don't draw on it. Just leave it alone. Stop messing with these. If you're in, all of you that are in my county, never pull a fire alarm at my school. Because I don't want to see you doing that. Because if I see you doing that, I'm going to let the principal know about this. And you're going to get suspended. So yeah, you should never do this. Never do something like this. Don't shake the alarm. Don't do this. Don't punch it. Don't scratch on it. Just leave the alarm alone. And don't take the back box off of it. And never change the address loops. If the address loops are at, if the ones are at 9, leave it at 9. And if the 10s are at 15, leave it at 15. Don't change the address loop. Now, if you see a pole station open, this opening, leave it alone. Don't do something like this. And don't do this either. So don't pull the alarm like this. Don't try to get the handle pulled down a little bit and pushed in. Oh, and I just pulled it. So if you see the handle, if you see pushed in like this, leave it alone. Don't do something like this. That's not okay. So yeah, only pull the fire alarm at school when there's a real fire, or if you have permission to do so for a fire drill like I did in freshman year. Yeah, that day when I was in freshman year, September 13th, I pulled the alarm for the fire drills because the principal, and I had permission to do it by the principal. But I'm saying do not do this for a joke or a prank. Because you can get suspended or expelled, and you might get arrested by the police. Or you can get grounded by your parents, so never do this. So hopefully you get this message about don't pull the fire alarm at school. The ones, even the ones that you're in my county,